Abakwasurwe hariho manyurwe nka Omoding kurwo mu district ya Kotudo hamwe na Joshua Baruko w'emyaka 85 kurwo mu district ya Kasese.
That one, eh? Yeah. Let's go.
Aba bakomerwa bwa nyuma ya Minisita w'umuhwezo w'ebyitaka Dr. Sam Mayanja garuka hitaka Rentonga n'eryarwo Bunyonyi omugombora ya Buraru omu district ya Hoima nuko abatura ku mugambera kw'abarinzi bariyo no babatuntuza.
Bakadde baffe wano bangi bakuba ekiboko ne tubajja mu malwaliro nga tebakyasobola na ttambula. Bajja kiro ne bakuba. When we report to police, cases ziriyo nyingi nnyo. Cases sijja kulimba honorable minister, cases zino zifira wa state eyo.
White minister, nyowe kinkusaba tinkwenda tuli obwire bwingi muno. Nkusaba abantu baitu nkuwaragire bagaruke hayitaka babeho n'obusinge kandi mubahe n'obukuumi. Hanu we mutatekeho basirikale abantu bagya kubonabona.
Aba bashwanjurwe bari mu bijwaro bya burijo barikwetorera ecyaro nuko kubakwata nabwa nyuma bakajumbura embundi ibiri ezibabire basherekero mu kibera. Embunde zemwe birere ya pump action sote birere mu isasa rumwe kandi ndije birere SR rifle erumwe amasasa abiri.
Na UPDF tabugenda muga ate omusajja omuhanu akagere yagamba naho natahawayi aboneseza abantu kumara emyaka 2-3 hano. Abantu babwena bwine abantu bachuzira amaziga.
I was come with this company. The company which is the one who
the company brought you
TPK. The one who brought me here.
TPK security company.
Yes.
Maiko Chakashar maramero y'umuhwezo wa RDC ahabwaho imanagira ngo abarinzi abatabar kubamanya nkabe byo kwerinda om district G.
Private guards to be deployed in an area like this one. District security committee inokubanga echa province. That one has never passed in our office. So I even don't know how they came.
Minister Sam Mayanja kabanaza kuterwa amasaso mu itakanirwe rumwe mu kwezi kwa 8 mu mwaka wa 2023 kandi ubu nabwo akabayizire kurendura y'abatura.
Gambeti bagisewo mangu nebwe neba abasikale babiri bo bamobilizinga abantu babenga bonna bakulagana bamu. When Israel Kampala ngabenzayo later today, maybe tomorrow or yesterday, tujja kwatagana ne Inspector General Police ba reinforcing police kujeni bosen etekedwawo.
Abantu batusaba obukuumi, but unfortunately tetuyina our manpower ntono nnyo nti ne bwogamba police okuva ebulindi okujja okutaasa wajja kujja muntu omu ku motorcycle.
Itakero bahango bwa siku ya mairizi ishatu ku ruga rw'Obunyonyi mpaka ombyaro nka Karubare hamwe na Kirinda Sojo bitu mukama we Chapa Fred Mugamba Hasumu yatugera ngo akashumbusha abantu baruga mu bekundire.
The squatters are still existing on the land, so no one has been evicted. Of course, you know what happened before, so we need security. We cannot just have our workers there without security. Those are just individuals who just made their mistakes as individuals.
Amakuraga gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.